Most people think modern luxury cars are getting more fragile every year, but these Lexus models prove the exact opposite. In this video, we're looking at Lexus sedans and SUVs that are built to go 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 plus miles. If you want to see what modern, overbuilt luxury looks like, the 2019 Lexus LS500 is it. This isn't some fragile status car that only feels good for the first lease. This is a full-size flagship sedan designed to do serious mileage and total comfort. The kind of car you can drive for years and still feel like you're in something special every time you shut the door. From the outside, the LS500 has presence. The huge spindle grille, slim LED headlights, long hood and stretched roofline make it look like a proper flagship, not just a bigger ES. Park it in front of a hotel, office, or nice house in 2025, and it still looks absolutely current. The design is so sharp and detailed that most people wouldn't guess it's already a few years old. It just reads as expensive Lexus. Open the door and you understand immediately why this car is built to be lived in, not just shown off. The seats are more like luxury lounge chairs than car seats. Deep cushions, incredible support, and in many cars, heating, cooling, and memory. The interior is full of those small details Lexus is famous for. The way the stitching lines up, the way the door panels curve, the way every surface you touch feels soft, solid, and carefully made. Close the door and the outside world drops away with a heavy, refined whoomp. No rattles, no cheap hollowness, just a quiet, dense cabin that still feels brand new if the car's been looked after. Under the hood, the LS500 moved away from the older V8 and into a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, and that scares some people at first. But here's the key. Lexus didn't design this engine to chase silly horsepower at the edge of its limits. It's tuned for smooth, effortless torque and long, reliable service when it's maintained properly. It starts cleanly, idles quietly, and when you roll onto the throttle, the power comes in strong and steady instead of suddenly spiking. Paired with a sophisticated automatic transmission, it keeps revs low in normal driving, which helps both fuel economy and long-term durability. The engine isn't screaming all the time, it's cruising. If you want a newer Lexus sedan that you can realistically keep for the long run, the 2024 Lexus ES250 is one of the safest bets. It's built around a simple 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. No turbo stress, no crazy power tricks, so it's the kind of setup mechanics prefer for long-term ownership. On the road, it's all about comfort. Quiet cabin, smooth ride, light steering, and a relaxed driving feel that makes daily commuting easy. Inside, it still feels premium with solid materials and a clean layout, and because the ES platform is known for aging well, it's the type of car that can still feel nice years from now with basic maintenance like oil changes, fluids, brakes, and tires. If you asked off-road guys and longtime Toyota fans which Lexus SUV feels like it was carved out of a solid block of metal, the Lexus GX470 would be one of the first names you'd hear. This is one of those trucks that doesn't just have a reputation, it has stories. Insane mileage, bad roads, rough use, and it just keeps starting, idling, and driving like it's no big deal. Under the Lexus badge, it's basically a luxury version of the global Land Cruiser Prado, and that's exactly why mechanics respect it so much. From the outside, the GX470 has that classic old-school SUV look that actually ages really well. It's tall, boxy, and upright, with a proper truck stance and real ground clearance. There's no pretending here. It doesn't look like a soft grocery getter. It looks like something you could drive into the mountains, across rough dirt roads or through bad weather without worrying. At the same time, the Lexus grille, headlights, and chrome touches keep it from looking like a work truck. Park it in front of a nice house, and it still looks like a serious premium SUV, not just an old 4x4 someone's hanging onto. Step inside and the whole vibe changes from tough to comfortable. You climb up into big, cushy leather seats with the classic Lexus feel. Thick, supportive, and surprisingly soft even after years of use if the truck's been looked after. The cabin has that early 2010s Lexus atmosphere. Real-feeling wood trim, soft touch materials, clear gauges, and big, simple buttons you can hit without digging through menus. Close the door, and it shuts with a heavy, solid thud. A lot of the outside world disappears, and you're left in a quiet, well-insulated space that feels more like a traditional luxury car than a rugged off-roader. Under the hood is the part mechanics love, a 4.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 from Toyota's legendary UZ family. This engine isn't chasing crazy power numbers, and it's not loaded with complicated tech. It's a big, understressed V8 designed to make smooth torque and do it for a very long time. Turn the key, and it starts with a smooth rumble, idles like it's barely awake, and pulls the GX along with an easy, confident shove. Around town, you rarely need more than a gentle touch on the throttle to keep up with traffic. On the highway, the engine settles into low revs and just hums in the background, with plenty of power on tap for passing, towing, or climbing long grades. Paired with a conventional automatic transmission and a full-time 4x4 system with low range, this drivetrain is built for reliability first and everything else second. On the road, the GX470 feels exactly like what it is, a body-on-frame SUV tuned by Lexus. That means you get the solid, heavy feel of a real truck, but without the harsh ride you might expect. The suspension is set up to soak up potholes, rough back roads, speed bumps, and washboard surfaces with a gentle, controlled motion. You feel that you're in something substantial, but you're not being punished by every bump. At highway speeds, it's surprisingly calm and stable for such a tall vehicle. It tracks straight, doesn't wander if it's in good alignment, and wind and road noise are kept to a comfortable level so long trips don't wear you out. If you're looking for a small luxury sedan that you can daily drive for years without turning your life into a repair bill collection, the 2014 Lexus IS250 is exactly that kind of car. On paper, it doesn't look crazy. No huge horsepower number, no twin turbos, no wild performance package. But in real life, that's what makes it so good. It's a compact Lexus with a simple, proven V6 and classic Toyota-style engineering underneath. The kind of setup that just keeps going if you take care of it. From the outside, the 2014 IS250 still looks properly modern in 2025. This is the first new shape IS, low stance, sharp spindle grille, aggressive headlights, crisp body lines, and that tight, athletic rear end. Park it next to newer sedans, and nobody thinks you're driving something outdated or tired. It looks like something a younger enthusiast, a professional, or anyone who likes a bit of style would be proud to drive. In darker colors with stock wheels, it has that subtle, sporty look. Not loud, just clean and sharp. Open the door, and you instantly feel the difference between regular compact cars and a Lexus. You sit low in a driver-focused cockpit, with a thick steering wheel and nicely bolstered front seats that hug you without being uncomfortable. The dash design wraps slightly around you. The materials feel dense and solid, and all the switches and buttons still move with that smooth, damped Lexus feel when the car's been cared for. Close the door, and it shuts with a solid thunk. The outside noise drops away, and even with age and mileage, a good IS250 still feels tight and refined inside. Not like a cheap commuter that's rattled itself loose. Under the hood is where the long life story really starts. A 2.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 paired with a conventional automatic transmission. No turbo, no supercharger, no tiny engine working at its absolute limit. This V6 is part of a family of engines that Toyota and Lexus have used in multiple models for years, and mechanics know them well. It starts cleanly, idles smoothly, and delivers power in a very linear, predictable way. Around town, it pulls the car along calmly without any drama. On the highway, it settles into low revs and just hums in the background, ready to give you more when you push the pedal. Because there's no forced induction, the engine isn't living on the edge, and that's exactly what you want when you start talking about big mileage numbers like 300K, 400K, or more. If you wanted to design an SUV that could shrug off abuse, bad roads, and long mileage while still feeling like a luxury vehicle, you'd end up very close to the 2018 Lexus GX460. This is one of those trucks that looks like it should be fragile because of the leather and wood, but underneath, it's about as tough as modern vehicles get. It's built on Toyota's global 4x4 platform, the same kind of hardware used in places where roads are optional, and that's exactly why mechanics respect it so much. From the outside, The 2018 GX460 has that serious upright stance you just don't see on most crossovers. It sits high off the ground with real ground clearance, a boxy, squared-off body, and big wheel arches that make it look ready for something more than mall parking lots. The spindle grille and LED lights bring it into the modern Lexus family, so it doesn't look dated at all in 2025. It's the kind of SUV that looks equally at home in front of a nice restaurant or covered in dust at the end of a gravel road. Climb inside, and you're reminded this is still a Lexus first. You step up into thick, well-padded leather seats that feel more like armchairs than simple chairs. The driving position is tall and commanding, giving you a clear view over traffic. The dashboard is straightforward and robust. Big, clearly labeled buttons and knobs, easy-to-read gauges, and just enough screen real estate without turning the cabin into a tablet showroom. The materials feel dense and solid, and in a well-maintained GX there are very few creaks or rattles, even after years of use. Close the door and you get that heavy, confident thunk as the outside world fades into a quiet background hum. Under the hood is the real star of the show, a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8. No turbochargers, no wild boost levels, no complicated hybrid turbo mix. Just a big, understressed engine designed to make smooth torque and do it for a very long time. Turn the key or press the start button, and it settles into a calm, refined idle. Around town, it gets this big SUV moving with an easy, effortless shove. You don't have to thrash it to keep up with traffic. On the highway, it drops into low revs and just hums along in the background, ready with plenty of power for hills, towing, or overtakes. Paired with a conventional automatic transmission and a full-time 4x4 system with low range, the whole drivetrain feels like it was designed for reliability first and everything else second. Out on the road, the GX460 drives exactly like what it is, a body-on-frame SUV tuned by a luxury brand. You feel the weight and solidity in a good way. The suspension is set up to absorb the kind of hits that would rattle a normal crossover: potholes, broken pavement, washboard dirt roads, speed bumps, and turn them into a gentle, controlled motion. You're aware you're in a tall vehicle, but as long as you drive it sensibly, the body stays composed in corners and never feels sloppy or scary. At highway speeds, it's impressively stable. It tracks straight, doesn't wander all over the lane, and wind and tire noise are kept low enough that you can talk comfortably or enjoy music without raising your voice. If you asked a mechanic, which modern Lexus SUV would you trust to do huge mileage without drama? The 2022 Lexus RX would be one of the first names on the list. This generation RX is the perfect example of how Lexus quietly combines new styling and tech with the same old-school reliability they've been known for since the 90s. From the outside, the 2022 RX looks exactly like what people want in a modern luxury SUV. Sharp LED headlights, that bold spindle grille, clean character lines down the side, and a tidy rear end that still looks fresh in 2025. It doesn't scream or try too hard. It just looks like a well-designed premium SUV that could belong to a doctor, a business owner, or a family that likes nice things but hates repair bills. Open the door and you instantly understand why so many RX owners hang on to these for years. The seats are wide, soft, and supportive, the kind you can sit in for hours without constantly adjusting. The driving position is relaxed and confidence-inspiring. You sit high enough to see traffic clearly, but not so high that you feel like you're driving a bus. The cabin is quiet and calm, with that familiar Lexus mix of soft touch materials, neat stitching, and solid-feeling switches. In a well-kept RX, there's very little creaking or rattling. Everything still feels tight. Close the door, and the outside world drops away with a solid, muted thud. You immediately get that "this car was built properly" impression. Under the hood, most 2022 RX models use the 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 that has become a legend in Toyota and Lexus circles, or the closely related hybrid setup in the RX 450h. Either way, the formula is the same: proven engine family, mature transmission, conservative tuning. That's the recipe mechanics love. In the V6 versions, the RX pulls away from lights with a smooth, easy shove. No lag, no weird turbo behavior, just steady power. On the highway, it settles into low revs and hums along so quietly that you often forget the engine is even working as hard as it is. In the hybrid, the electric motors help off the line and in traffic, smoothing things out even more and taking strain off the engine. In both cases, the drivetrain is designed to work with you, not against you. And that's exactly what you want if you're planning to keep the car to high mileage. On the road, the 2022 RX sticks to the classic RX mission. Comfort first, everything else second. The suspension is tuned to smooth out the ugly parts of real-world roads: potholes, patched tarmac, speed bumps, expansion joints. So you feel more of a gentle movement than a harsh impact. If you want a Lexus that feels sporty but still lasts like a Toyota, the 2021 Lexus IS350 is a great pick. You get a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 with a traditional automatic, no tiny turbo being pushed to the limit. So power delivery stays smooth and predictable for years. The cabin feels tight and well-built, the seats hold up well, and it still looks modern in 2025 with that aggressive front end and sharp headlights. Keep up with oil changes and fluids, and this is the kind of daily driver that can rack up huge mileage while still feeling solid and new enough every time you get in. If you want a Lexus that's basically the definition of buy it once and keep it, the 2020 Lexus ES350 is one of the smartest long-term plays you can make. This car is built for people who want real luxury comfort, but zero drama ownership. It's quiet, smooth, easy to drive, and underneath it has one of Lexus's most proven formulas: a simple, strong V6 and a conventional automatic that just doesn't like braking. From the outside, the 2020 ES350 looks modern and expensive in 2025. The shape is sleek and low. The front end is sharp with the spindle grille and LED lights. And it has that clean executive sedan vibe that never really goes out of style. It doesn't look like an old used car. It looks like something a successful person would still drive today. And because Lexus design ages slowly, a clean ES still turns heads quietly, without screaming for attention. Inside is where the ES350 wins people over. The cabin is calm and comfortable, with wide, supportive seats that feel built for long drives. The materials are soft and solid, the buttons and switches have that Lexus quality click, and the sound insulation is excellent, so even on rough highways you still feel like you're in a quiet room. The driving position is relaxed, visibility is good, and everything feels designed to reduce stress. That's a huge reason people keep these cars so long. It's not tiring to live with day after day. Mechanically, the ES350 is the reason mechanics don't roll their eyes when you mention luxury car. The 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 is a workhorse engine family Lexus has used for years. No turbochargers to cook, no complicated performance parts, just smooth power that's always there. In city driving, it glides away from stops effortlessly. On the highway, it sits at low revs and cruises quietly with plenty of passing power when you need it. Pair that with a traditional automatic transmission, and you have a drivetrain that's known for taking mileage like it's nothing, as long as you keep up with regular oil changes and basic fluid services. That's why the 2020 Lexus ES350 belongs in any runs forever list. It gives you luxury you can actually live with, comfort you'll still appreciate years later, and reliability that lets you plan for the long haul without living at the repair shop.